Congratulations! You are the lucky recipient of a 5-day 4-night cruise aboard your choice of Carnival Cruise Lines, Royal Caribbean, Norwegian Cruise Lines, or Princess Cruises. All cruises include unlimited access to the onboard buffets for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You simply pay taxes and port fees. Have the time of your life while enjoying the luxuries of a cruise vacation. We contract with various cruise lines to help them fill their otherwise empty cabin rooms. We help fill empty cabins, which the cruise lines turn into additional revenue from other areas of their property and future bookings. You will receive a 5-day 4-night cruise aboard your choice of Carnival Cruise Lines, Royal Caribbean, Norwegian Cruise Lines, or Princess Cruises. Redeem your certificate to activate your offer and start planning your vacation today. David said, "It was a really good time. It was so great, and everything was well organized by our travel agency. No surprises or disappointments." So what are you waiting for? Activate your offer today.